स्वागत है आपका साई ज्ञान सागर में। तो आज हम करते हैं मार्च के करंट अफेयर के क्वेश्चन। तो देखते हैं, इरनातूस इज द आइलैंड सिचुएटेड इन विच कंट्री? श्रीलंका इज एन आइलैंड बिलोंग टू श्रीलंका लोकेटेड इन गल्फ ऑफ मन्नार। इट लोकेटेड इन 300 किलोमीटर अवे फ्रॉम द कंट्री कैपिटल कोलंबो। यहाँ पे क्या होता है कि भाई जो लोग कोविड-19 के थ्रू मरे उनको क्रिमिनेट किया जा रहा है। श्रीलंका में ये जगह है। Next, who is the first Asian celebrity to reach the 100 million of follower in milestone on the Instagram? तो विराट कोहली। The government has amended which rule to bring insurance broker within it amid insurance amendment rules 2017. India is set to join ahead with which country to conduct marine special planning in Lakshadweep and Pondicherry, Norway. Which private sector bank has launched WhatsApp banking facilities recently? तो ये एक्सिस बैंक। Which herb is being cultivated in Jammu as part of the Aroma mission? तो lavender is being cultivated in Jammu as a part of Aroma mission that was launched in 2016. Lavender is an aromatic herb with a medical property. It is a commercially important crop cultivated mainly for the production of essential oils. Each liter of lavender essential solid sold for 10,000. What is the full form of ICLED? तो इंटर-बैंड कैस्केड लाइट emitting diode, the emitting device. ICLED, the intra-band cascade light emitting device, is a new type of high-powered light emitting diode that are used in quantitative analysis of several chemicals. It emits lights in the mid-IR wavelength region. It was recently used to develop low-cost sensor to detect the methane emission with high accuracy. Which rare species of native Australian bee was recently spotted along the east coast of the Australia? तो Parrohelius lactoferus. India's largest ground-based optical telescope has been installed in which state? Uttarakhand. India's largest ground-based optical telescope installed in which state? Uttarakhand. Which Indian state for the first time present the outcome-based budget? Jharkhand. The Jharkhand state government for the first time presented the outcome-based budget. Under the mechanism, 11 departments have been given the target and responsibility, the result of which will be measured by the end of the next financial year. The department have been submitted a detailed document on the work they were planning to do in the next fiscal. Which malware is alleged to be behind the October blackout in Mumbai? So ShadowPad is a malware that is alleged to be behind the October blackout in Mumbai. It has been linked to Chinese cyber attack in the past too. It was discovered in the year 2011-17. It was injected into software updated by NetSarang, a legitimate software provider. Sri Lanka will develop the best container terminal at the Colombo port along with which two countries? India and Japan. Sri Lanka will develop the best container terminal at the Colombo port. Which of the two countries? Sri Lanka will develop the best container terminal at the Colombo port along with other countries? India and Japan. Sri Lanka will develop the best container terminal at the Colombo port along the India and Japan. India has nominated Adani Port and Special Economical. Japan has yet to nominate a party. India and Japan will have 75% stake in VCT project. The Starship mission was developed by which country? USA. The Starship mission was developed by the SpaceX, a farm-based United States. SpaceX Starship system is fully reusable to stage to orbit heavy lift launch vehicles. The system comprises a booster stage called a Super Heavy. The second stage of vehicle is called Starship. Which Indian company joined the World Economic Forum initiative of racial justice in business? विच इंडियन कंपनी, कौन सी कंपनी ने ज्वाइन किया वर्ल्ड इकोनॉमिकल फोरम को इनिशिएट लिया है कि रेसियल जस्टिस इन बिजनेस, तो विप्रो ने, विप्रो हैज़ अनाउंस दैट इट हैज़ ज्वाइंड द पार्टनरिंग द रेशियल जस्टिस इन बिजनेस इनिशिएटिव लॉन्च्ड बाय द वर्ल्ड इकोनॉमिक फोरम. The initiative aimed to impact necessary policy changes for inclusion and development of the professional with underrepresented racial and ethnic identity. The Union Cabinet has approved the agreement with which country for cooperation in the field of agriculture and allied sector, Fiji. The Union Cabinet Chairman Prime Minister Narendra Modi approved the signing of the Memorandum of Understanding with Fiji for cooperation in the field of agriculture and allied sector. The MOU provide the cooperation in various areas, including promotion to joint venture between private sector of both countries. It includes the exchange of research, personnel, technology and infrastructure. Which state is to be conduct its first survey of the social and educational condition of the people from backward classes? तो उड़ीसा. Which state is to be conduct its first survey of the social and educational condition for the help people from backward classes? Odisha. The Odisha government has set to begin it. The Odisha government is set to begin its first state survey of the social and educational condition of people from backward classes in the state. There are nearly 201 community identified as the social and educational backward classes. The classes comprises around 54% of the state population. A purpose of Odisha State Commission backward classes was approved in a regarding help OPLIP, a tribal livelihood to develop. The program is funded by which organization? Odisha particularly vulnerable tribal group empowerment and livelihood improvement program is a program funded by the International Fund of Agricultural Development. जो object is to improve living condition and reduce the poverty among the particular vulnerable tribal group through the capacity building and improve the agriculture practices. Nagarhole Tiger Reserve is situated in which the state? Karnataka. Nagarhole Tiger Reserve is situated in which state? Karnataka. The Nagarhole Tiger Reserve, formerly known as Rajiv Gandhi National Park, is a wild reserve in Karnataka. It is a part of Nilgiri Biosphere Reserve. It is a name after the river Nagarhole, which is the Kannada form to Serpent River. The reserve for recently engulfed a major forest fire, leading to the destruction of the several across the forest cover. India has a commemorate the Chabahar Day on which state? तो 4 मार्च 2021. The Ministry of External Affairs state that the Indian commemorate the Chabahar Day and 4 March along with the line of maritime India Committee 220 held in Delhi to March. The virtual event witnessed to the participate of the ministry from Afghanistan, Iran, Armenia, Russia, Kyrgyzstan, Uzbekistan. Which country has recently signed impact with India for purchase of BrahMos missile? Philippines. BrahMos is a medium-range supersonic Curie missile designed, developed and produced by the BrahMos Aerospace, a joint venture company set up the India's DRDO and Russia's and Mahinstrom. It can be launched from the submarine ship, planes and land-based platform. Philippines signed pact with India recently for possible purchase for this missile. Which commission is going to introduce a digital green pass? Which commission is going to introduce a digital green pass? The European Commission. The European Commission is introduce a digital green pass on March 17 when a summit focusing on travel and mobility will take place. The digital green pass will have inform related to the vaccination test result, statement of recovery. The objective of this initiative is enable safe opening of the Europe and ensure safe movement in the European Union or abroad. The space hurricane. The space hurricane which was discovered recently was spotted in which of the region of the earth? North Pole. The scientists had discovered space hurricane for the first time. The hurricane swirled 8 hours over the North Pole, upper atmosphere of the Earth. Which bank company has successfully tested the world's first blockchain transaction in space? JP Morgan. The JP Morgan has successfully tested world's first blockchain transaction in space using the satellites of the Danish space farmer GoSpace. GoMax-4 is a research and development mission which including two satellites, GoMax-4A, GoMax-4B. They were launched in 2018 at low Earth orbit, which is the only country to register a 3-digit growth in the wearable market as per the recent report of IDC India. The International Data Corruption released a report titled Worldwide Quarterly Wearable Device Tracker. As per the report, India is the only country, इंडिया एक ऐसी country है, register a 3-digit growth in a wearable market with year-on-year growth for 144.3% in 2020. The total of 36.4 million unit wearable shipment were registered in the country 2020. How many Indian institutes were ranked in the top 100 of the QS World University Ranking by Subjective 2021-12? According to recently published Municipal Performance Index, which city ranked first in the category of million plus city? Indore. Recently, Varnation performed a rarer operation on a money monorail in Indian state Kerala. Where is the headquarters of organization for the provision of the chemical weapons situated Netherlands? What is the name of the forest that have been reached great age and bear no visible sign of human activity? Old growth forest. Old gold forest and virgin forest are those factors they have reached great age and bear no visible sign for human activity. About one third of the world forest and old growth forest, a huge portion of these in Russia, Brazil and Canada. The relatively undisturbed environment provided by this forest give to rise the unique ecological features and are home to range of wildlife species. Which organization recently published the Food Waste Index Report 2021? Food Waste Index UNP, United Nations Environmental Programme. The United Nations Environmental Programme published the food instruction. Which state has induced night safaris in the national park? Madhya Pradesh. As per the survey of Amazon Web Services, what is the percentage of digitalized skilled employees in India workforce? 12. Which payment provider along with the National Payment Corporation of India has launched RuPay Soft POC SBI payment? Which India state UT has approved to constitute its own school education board? New Delhi. The Delhi Cabinet has provided approval to the constitution of Delhi's own school education board. As per the Delhi CM Arvind Kejriwal, 2020 school will include in the Delhi Board of School Education in academic session government school and private school in India. Which organization successfully demonstrated the solid fuel ducted Ranjit technology? DRD. Sangor Fort, which is making recently, it is in Madhya Pradesh. Indian naval ship INS Kailash and INS Sudha visit the port of which of first time? Bangladesh. Under which scheme bank loan between 10 rupees to 10 crore provide enterprises of SC and ST women borrow. Stand Up India scheme. Stand Up India scheme launched in the Stand Up India scheme. Which Indian wrestler are regained top sport world ranking recently? Bajrang Punia. Which India wrestler has regained top sport in world rank recently? Bajrang Punia. Overall Business Confidence Index has been released by FICCI, the Federation of Indian Chamber of the Commerce and Industrial. Swadhinta Puraskar is the highest civilian award of which country? Bangladesh. Which Indian bank launched a dedicated program for women called Smart Up Unnati Program? Smart Up Program, SDFC Bank. The first transgender community desk has been integrated in a police station. Which station? Telangana. Dastak is a military exercise between India and which country? Uzbekistan. Who is the head of the committee formed to commemorate the 75th year of the India's independent Prime Minister? Who present the budget of the Delhi government of 7th Constitution Trump? Manish Sisodia. Which state government to set up the District Investment Promotion Agency? Odisha. What is the threshold of mandatory e-invoicing as per CBIC? 50 crore. National Cyber Crime Reporting Portal is being operated by which Union Minister? Ministry of Home Affairs. Which organization conduct the final test of air independent propulsion used in submarine? DRDO. Which Indian state has been inaugurated India's first skill center? Odisha. What is the name of health service found proceeds of health and education case? Pradhan Mantri Swasthya Suraksha Nidhi. Which department has launched online 5G certification course for its officially Department of Telecommunication? Which Indian has been confined with top 20 Global Women Excellence Award 2020 USA Congress? Tamil Sai Sundaranjan. What is the name of given to purpose of celebrity marking 75-year Indian independence? Amrit Mahotsav. According to NASA, which lake Earth most resemble to Jero crater of Mars? Salad. Which institution published Connecting to the Thrival Challenge of the Opportunity for Transport Integration of Eastern South Asia report? World Bank. What is the name of the certification system that allow people has been vaccinate against COVID-19 to access certain facilities? Vaccine passport. Which state UT has notified draft exercise policy to allow liquor ban to the e-deduction? Jammu and Kashmir. Which organization released report starting 1 to 3 women have experienced physical and sexual violence once in their lifetime? WHT has